Welcome to training on the UCaaS Customer Administration Portal. During this video, we'll cover product details, and by the end of the lesson, you will understand the basics of widgets, which is the core component of the Customer Administration Portal, have an idea of the functions found within each tab, review a few widgets in particular. While this certainly will not be a comprehensive lesson on the Customer Administration Portal, instead look at this as a primer on what you can do with it. Other lessons will cover specifics such as call flow or user management. The Customer Administration Portal is web-based, so you use a browser and a connection to the internet in order to access. You do not need to be on site. The CAP is composed of several tabs found across the top of the interface. Depending on the features you have in your PBX, some of these tabs may not appear. Widgets are the functional component within each tab. Each widget has a specific function which breaks down the complex features of the system into easier to manage sections. On the top right corner of most widgets, you will see the same control panel. With these buttons, you can refresh the data in the widget, search within it for specific data, obtain a context-sensitive help file about that widget, enhance the widget to make it full screen, or hide the widget so it is only visible as a header bar. The Support tab is found at the far right and will provide you various methods to obtain help if necessary. Regardless of the tab you're on, you will find a 24/7 support number in the top bar of the interface. Contact Us provides multiple avenues for contact, from a feedback form to an email address to communicate directly with the management team. If you ever have a technical issue, the ticket can be tracked in the Tickets widget. While we cannot disclose every factor of the solution, we do our best to be as transparent as possible so you know how your case is proceeding. Call detail records can be found in the Reporting tab. Here you have visibility of all call activity in and out of your PBX. The Call Log widget is useful to see incoming and outgoing calls. You can even download the information with the Download as CSV button at the bottom. Traffic Summary is a graphical display to show call volume at set intervals. Many clients use this to help with staffing, as you can see where your busy times tend to happen. The next tab from the right is Billing, and it will show your past and current bills. With the Past Bills widget, you can view the bills on screen or download them as PDF files. If Billing lets you see recurring monthly charges, By Services shows the one-time charge orders that you have placed. The Order Status widget works like the Past Bills widget from before, where you can view or download your order details. The Administration tab helps you manage your users, and in this context, users are individual identities for the extensions. A user might be the name of the person whose desk the phone will sit, or location name like Kitchen Phone or Conference Room B. The user identity will show up with internal caller ID as well as on directory lists. Changes made to users can sometimes take a few days to fully propagate across all of the directories in all of the phones, but these changes will be updated in the system immediately. Administration and Access will show you all of your users that have been defined. You can also add new ones with the Add User button or make changes by editing the records. The Download to CSV button makes it easy to build a printable corporate directory list from these records. The Corporate Directory widget will allow you to hide and reveal individual extensions from being visible to auto attendants, busy lamp fields, and even the internal corporate directory as you see fit. By default, all extensions are visible to all services. With the Schedules tab, you can create and manage custom schedules. These schedules can be used in call services like Hunt Groups to route calls during after hours or other events. The Schedules widget works much like an Outlook calendar to create and manage schedules. More on this widget is covered in the video about call flow. For systems that utilize the call center features, the Call Center tab will appear. The two widgets will help manage the call queues and provide some high-level reporting. This is covered in greater detail in its own video. The Other Services tab enables three services: SIP trunking, hosted fax, and call recording. This tab will appear even if your system doesn't utilize these services. These widgets will be covered in more detail in separate videos. In the final tab, Services, you can find all the widgets to manage call flow, and there are a lot of widgets here. Call flow widgets like Hunt Group, Auto Attendant Virtual Number, and Manage Phone System are found on this tab. The more intensive call flow video will cover these widgets in detail. During this training, you learned about the Customer Administration Portal and how to navigate it. We covered some widget basics, and you saw which widgets appear on the given tabs. Thank you very much, and you have a great day.